Trying to build an info business, but you are stuck? Are you struggling to get your first 1,000 followers or tribe members? Are you struggling to make the first $1,000 online? Do you want to change the world with one great idea, but you just don't know how to get started, how to create the platform and the trial traffic, emails and products? If so, you need a world-changing idea. Then you need traffic platform where people can come to you and get to know you. Then you will need an email campaign. Then you will find out what they need and either promote affiliate programs that meet those needs, or better yet, over time, create your own products. That's the formula. You've probably heard it before. It's probably in every basic info training that you've ever bought. Problem is, those entry-level training programs only skim those issues. So you think you know what to do and how to do it to get the traffic that you need, write the emails you need, and create the products that you need. But you're missing something, aren't you? Because if you weren't missing some component parts, you wouldn't be reading this. There's a solid model that works. Russell Brunson uses it, Dan Kennedy, Dave D. Jones uses it, Perry Marshall is using it in his new 80-20 marketing system promotion, Marlon Sanders uses it, Ryan Lee uses it, Ryan Levesque uses it, Perry Belcher, and many, many more. In fact, just about anyone making a decent living online uses the formula. It's simple and it works every time. Now here's the thing, it's easy to miss those folks using the formula because you are always focused on whatever it is that they are selling. Thinking that way is the key. Russell Brunson funnels, Perry Belcher tripwires, Dan Kennedy high ticket consulting, Ryan Levesque $1 million funnels, Perry Marshall work on an hour a day, and it's easy to think, okay, I just need a funnel, I just need a tripwire, or I just need to add a high ticket consulting, or worse yet, I just need to add them all and then I'll get rich. It doesn't work that way. They're all making their money using this basic formula, and each just adds in one or two unique things that they like that resonate with them. But it's the formula that gets you there. Now I've taught the parts to the formula before, one at a time, here and there, some coaching to clients, some in groups, some to special trainings, and so on and so forth, because I've looked for ways to offer what small groups of clients needed at the time. But finally, after long last, I've created a training program that teaches you step by step how to build your info business from the ground up. The Complete Info Entrepreneur's Formula Training System. You'll discover my secret system, the easiest way to create a 30-day email campaign in just 10 minutes a day. The easiest way to create products, the easiest way to write sales letters. In short, you'll discover everything that you need to build a 100K business. If you buy this training today and don't study it and you do nothing with it, you won't make a penny. And in fact, if you do buy it, I want you just to study this for the next week. Don't buy anything else for 7 days. Learn this model, imprint it in your mind, and if you'll do that, you'll be amazed at what can happen. But I don't want to persuade you with stories like so many marketers do. What I wish I could do is persuade you to stop chasing the fads, the smoke and mirrors, just use retargeting, or just buy solo ads, or just use Facebook, or just use whatever today's fad is. I wish I could persuade you right now, right here, that none of those fads will work for you until and unless you have a platform of people who like and trust you. You must create a platform of people who know, like, and trust you. Seth Godin calls it your tribe. Build your tribe, write them a daily email, find out what they want, and then sell to them. Make $1 or $2 per subscriber per month on the low end. I've been in this business for nearly 10 years and I'm up to about $6 per subscriber per month, but don't expect that right away. You have to get good and really practice before that kind of thing happens. Here's what you'll get in this powerful training membership. The exact business model I personally use and almost anyone making 100K a year uses. The exact traffic platform method I personally use and my most successful clients use it to get the traffic that they need. My personal method of eliminating distractions so that I can focus relentlessly on success and my goals. The most amazing way to create content and products fast in just 30 minutes a day. A total overview of most profitable online business model that works like crazy to generate the presence you need to get the credibility and sales that you need. Exactly what to do each day of the week to get the results that you want in your business. How to structure your workload so that you aren't burned out and still get the work done that you need each and every single day. How to create a high-end reverse funnel business based on your business on high-ticket consulting, even if you primarily sell low-ticket. Just having a high-ticket offer, even if you never enroll or selling anyone lift sales. How to write the easiest email campaign you can ever imagine and have it get results like crazy. How to create create your 10 by 10 matrix for your business to make brainstorming your entire business super easy. High-level super tips on creating new products fast. New products are the lifeblood and quick cash infusion in your business. Do you need a quick cash infusion? How to create massive levels of content in just 30 minutes a day to supercharge SEO and Google results. How to eliminate distractions so that you can focus relentlessly in the lack of focus holding you back from success. How to eliminate distractions so that you can focus relentlessly. Is a lack of focus holding you back from success? How to start a coaching program from scratch, complete with a real life example of how I started my own coaching program back when I didn't have a clue. How to create a system that gets unlimited traffic from the web, and much more. Click here to claim your spot today.